We have
Or
many.
you have an account. Okay. Do I need to create an account with them or
Yes, you have to
just
create an
I
account.
just
So like now, because I have an account on each
okay.
platform. So that is why I was able to do that. So
Okay.
anytime you want to use it, it will ask you to log in with your email and password.
Okay.
So you can use it to generate any information. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe you want to create, even you want to generate a note on a particular topic. Okay, like now. So these tools, it is another another let's say another program or class on its own. We call it prompt engineering. So if prompt engineering, so just like asking a model, because all these they are AI model. AI model. So asking AI model to generate information for you. Although those information they are online, but it's just like you send that AI, you send it on errand to gather information for you. So instead of you to search on Google to look for different page, so what the AI tool will do, it will crawl all over the internet, check the information for you on different sites, the information that's related to what you need. So on different sites. So what you just need to do is to confirm the information that okay, it is. And use it to generate an image. Okay, you can use it to generate text, maybe a note, or you can also use it to generate a video. Okay, so it depends on the question you give to the AI audio. So that is AI audio. So it depends on what you want to generate. So now let me reshare.
Okay.
So this is Cloud AI. Okay, like now you can ask Cloud AI that depend the way you ask question will determine the kind of response they give to you. Okay, for example, now if you ask the Cloud AI that okay, I want you to to generate, okay, let's say to write a storytelling on the dashboard uploaded above, not more than 30 words. Okay, so if you say not more than 30 words, okay, let's see, not more than 30 words. So the output that we are going to get here is going to be different from this one, because you have added some other information to it, that so this is constraint, that so that it won't more than 30 words. So if I click on the button now, Can you see? So this is what is it just generated based on the question we ask the AI that not more than 30 words. But if you say not more than 30 paragraphs, or let's say not more than 10 paragraphs, okay? So I can just copy this. So put it here and say not more than 10 paragraphs. Okay. Maybe okay. So can you see? So it will continue generating until it reach 10 paragraphs. So if we count this one out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will make sure that it generated 10 paragraphs based on the question we ask it. So that is how the AI works. So you can also use it. Maybe you can say, okay, generate it in a table format. So you can say, can you generate the story in a table format? In a table format. Okay. Can you see? So it will look as if you are doing conversation with a human being. So it understand natural language. That it is under natural language processing. So whatever question you ask, so it's going to do it the way you want it. So can you see total enrollment, key features, story elements, can you see academic diversity, 48 programs. Can you see? So key insights summary. So student body size, academic breadth, national coverage, 32 states, gender progress, accessibility. So can you see? So after we have created the design, okay, so we don't need to stress ourselves on checking the information one by one and start doing the storytelling. So it will assist us to do it. So if I want to maybe you want to change some information from what it's generated, so you cannot change it the way you like. But it will assist you to do the storytelling. But this is what you are going to put on the PowerPoint. Okay, so you will screenshot the table, the dashboard on the slide. Then you now put all this information on the slide to explain to the management that this is the insight from the analysis. So if you do another project, so you can just, because this one, after you have created it to start doing analysis, or maybe to doing the storytelling, so take a lot of time and effort. So but this is what AI want to want to do. So it want to help us, want to assist us to augment our work. So that the work that it will take us like 5 days to do, so within short period of time, even within 2 days or a day, we complete it. So that is the importance and the usefulness of AI. Okay, so we have a lot of them like that. Even there is another one, Gamma. Gamma will assist you to create the slide. So what you just need to do is to give gamma.com, I mean gamma.app. This is gamma.app. So you have to sign up on it before you can use it. So this is gamma.app. So what you just need to do is to, maybe you have MS Word now, okay, and you want to do a presentation. So you can use Gamma to create slides for you. Okay, it will prepare. I have one slide here that I use Gamma to do. Okay. Okay, this is it. So it is the Gamma that created it. Can you see? So this, so it is the Gamma that generates even all this image. So what you just need to do is to copy the whole content. Maybe you have like 5 pages content now, so you can copy it to Gamma, and then you now write prompt. We call it prompt. So that is what we entered on Cloud AI, just like a question. So just prepare a slide of prepare a presentation of 10 slides for me using this content. So it's going to create it. So it will look for different pictures that related to that individual topics on the page and prepare. Can you see? So it is the one that prepared this. So can you see? So reading of picture. So the AI, we use AI. So AI is can be used to reduce our workload. Okay, and also to reduce the time to complete a particular project. So you can make use of Cloud AI, DeepSeek, or ChatGPT. Okay, there's other one, Perplexity. Perplexity. Yes, this is it. So, like now, you can even you can ask this Perplexity about a particular person. Okay, like now, there is a, what do you know about? But you have to complete the full name, so that, because you may have they are maybe you have different people there, they are but if you complete this, So you can say data scientist with expertise in building predictive machine learning for this. Okay. Okay. So can you see? So it will even you can also enter your own name. So it will generate. Can you see? So it will generate information about you, and then any other information you want. You may want to do a project now, maybe a research project. So the beauty about the Perplexity is that it will show you the reference. All these are numbers. So that is where it got that information. So can you see? So this is Google Scholar. Okay, GitHub. Add scientific index. Okay, and so on like that. So it will gather your information online. Because if you are online presence, so maybe you have information online, so it's going to look for your details online, check online, gather everything, then you can use this one for a profile. So maybe you need to put your profile somewhere, so you can ask Perplexity or Cloud AI or DeepSeek or Chat GPT. Okay, so we have many like that. So to augment our work. So that is that. Do you have any question? So you can explore all these AI tools. So maybe to ask a question like now, if I want to de develop a note, let's say I want to develop a note on data analytics with Microsoft Excel now. So I can say, so as a data, or you can say as a professional data analyst. Because the way you ask questions always determine the way the kind of response it will give you. So as a professional data analyst, can you prepare a notes on data analytics with Microsoft Excel? Okay, so you can specify, okay, Microsoft Excel with examples. Okay, so with examples, so press enter. You can see. Pivot tables for data summarization, data visualization with charts. So all these line charts, scatter plot, line charts, heat map. So practical data analysis example, customer segmentation analysis. So data set, customer purchase history with demographics. So objective segments customers based on purchasing behavior. So you can use some if, can't if steps to analyze the data set. Example 2, sales performance dashboard. Example 3, inventory optimization analysis. So best practice for Excel data analytics. So common pitfall. So we can say I need more techniques on data cleaning. So it is generating the techniques about data cleaning. It's trying to check. Okay, we can, okay, let's use DeepSeek. Let's say, can you generate a comprehensive notes on data cleaning from common data quality issues, missing values, duplicates, inconsistent data, outliers, incorrect data, irrelevant data. So steps in data cleaning: remove irrelevant data, undo missing values, fix structural errors, remove duplicates. Although this is Python, so we're supposed to specify the tools that we need, that we want it to use to create the note. So we just give it a generalized question. So we can just say, can you generate a comprehensive note on data cleaning in Microsoft Excel? Because we also have some other ways, other platforms that you can clean your data. So you can use Python. So the notes that was generated, it is based on Python. But now we want it to use Microsoft Excel. So can we generate a comprehensive notes on data cleaning in Microsoft Excel for me? So step-by-step data cleaning techniques in Excel. So handling missing values. So Control G, select blanks. So filling missing values. Removing duplicates. Okay. So you can use Okay, standardized. So all these AI tools, it depends on the kind of data that they use to train them. So if you ask ChatGPT the same question, so the response may be different. Okay. So this is for this is DeepSeek. So if we ask Cloud AI, so if we ask Cloud AI, this is Cloud AI. So let's see. Can you see the way? So firstly, this one gives you the table of contents. So it shows that this one it has the performance of Cloud AI is better than DeepSeek. Can you see? So it shows the table of contents so that we know what you want to read, what you want the information you want to have, just the data clearly, data quality. So and the output of Cloud AI it is more comprehensive than that of DeepSeek. Can you see? Handling special numeric. So although all this they are advanced, yes, so phone standardization. So it is still generating. So regular expression. This is Office 365. Validation. Even you can also use it to set a question. To set a question for you. Maybe like now, maybe on mathematics, okay, I need objective question on mathematics for basic one students. Civic education for primary 3 students and so on like that. If it will generate it. So, and it will show the answer. It will give you the answer, maybe the answer and the questions. So that is the beauty of AI tools. So you can also explore it. So you can use it for to generate a storytelling when you create a dashboard. So it will generate the analysis, the storytelling about that dashboard for you. So just read it. You can put it in your own word or you leave it the way it is if you satisfied with the output. Okay, so that is the AI tools that you can use to augment your work. Okay, so do you have any question? That
I don't know what to ask.
so you just need to sign up on that platform.
I
Okay.
will create an account if I have one of them.
Just ask it any question. So it will generate it. So it
So I
depends.
can create an account with Claude. Yeah.
So we also have some other AI tools in research area, in research work. So maybe you want it to generate a review, maybe to review papers, review research papers. So AI can do that, and it will give you the reference to check, maybe on the Google Scholar or ResearchGate. So it will generate it for you. So like now, if I say, can you review? Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, she was around. Can you review, let's say like 10 papers on on this topic? So you can now put the topic here on research. Can you review 10 research papers on this topic? Maybe let me say the importance of Yoruba language in Nigeria. Today is the topic. Can you review 10 research papers on this topic? Press enter. Okay, let's copy to Perplexity. Maybe this one. Let's copy it here. So the role of Yoruba language in preserving cultural identity. That's one. This is the first paper. Effect of the use of Yoruba language as a medium of instruction on pupils' performance, teachers' perceptions, and value of Yoruba as a medium of instruction. That's another one. So this is the reference. So this is the PDF, the paper. So you can download the paper on the journal site. So can you see this is the paper? So this is the beauty of Perplexity. So it will, when it generates the result, then it will show the reference. So this is the PDF for the second one. So because we asked the Perplexity to review the 10 papers, so all these are the 10 papers. Empirical review, cultural identity and academic performance, teacher perception and value of Yoruba. So the key insight. So to now analyze conclusion. The reviews research overwhelmingly support the importance of Yoruba language in Nigeria not only as a medium of communication, but as a cornerstone of cultural identity, education, etc., and so on like that. So you can now download all the papers now to get more information about it. So even if you enter 20, it will generate 20 papers. Okay, so that is that. So just try to explore those AI tools so it will make the work easier and faster. Okay. All right. So thank you so much. So maybe I will look for a project to give you that will keep you busy on that analysis to using Microsoft Excel. So that will be the end of our program. So I will look for different data sets to use and the final project. Okay.
Then you give me the time that
What
work
ma?
for me. When you do a project, you give the deadline.
Sure. So maybe a
That
week
would
or
be nice.
2 weeks.
Okay.
So maybe I will give you 2 weeks to do it.
You give me
2 weeks.
okay.
2 weeks. So because the project may contain like maybe 4 or 5 data sets.
But if
So
I am a starter any problem, I
no
can
problem.
contact you at
Sure.
any time.
Yes, no problem. So I will send it after the class.
Okay.
Right. All right. Thank
you very much.
Okay. All right. So
I
have
really
a nice
appreciate your patience for teaching. For teaching, I know the man like me. Thank you.
All right. So
all right. Now we got your family.
okay. Yes, thank you. So I've sent the project. So it may not be now, maybe when I reach you. So I'll try to gather those questions. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. So but if you didn't receive it, you can remind me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, bye.